Okay, stand right there. Yes, perfect. Don't move. Don't move. That's good. Hold on. No.
Andrew, how long are you gonna do this?
As we voyage and make the cross. It's a mixture of sediment, sand, and rocks. Calvin and Danielle travel and voyage out in front. Sarah, Tim, and Esther travel in the back. We have finally reached some streams of water. This stream of water is mild, but moving. It is not stagnant, as mosquitoes would make it its friend.
Hi.
Hi. See,
Filming?
I am filming.
Friends, hello. Never mind.
We survived.
We survived. Gondo, my brothers. There will be a day when we forsake our friends. But today is not this day. This day we hike. Yeah.
I think we just have like a little less than a mile left. Whoa! I caught that.
Don't step on that rock. Yes.
Okay, it's recording.
My turn. I'm kidding.
Oh, okay.
I'm kidding.
Okay.
I'm kidding.
Oh wait, I don't want it.
Too bad you have it.
No, I'm holding this.